everyone and welcome to another video, and today this is actually a drawing video. So this is what I'm trying to draw. It's a picture from Google, and I've got the basic lines and setup for it, so I'm going to start drawing. So in this circle we're going to have the eye and the basic face. Down here we're going to have the nostrils and the nose. Just around here the hair. So I've split it up basically into several parts. So I think first I'm going to just get the hair off the piece of paper. And I think I'm going to start with around here. So I'm going to just get it into focus with the camera. And let's start drawing it. So I've got the picture close to me. And we're going to start basically doing the hair. So just, if you want to copy it, just do individual lines instead of shading it in, because otherwise it doesn't look like hair. It just looks like a bunch of shaded, like the dark part of the skin, and it doesn't look like hair. Even if they're really close together, it will still look like hair because it's just got individual lines. So this is probably going to be quite boring to watch, just me drawing random lines. But also make sure with a horse it's like different levels of the hair, because no animal has the same cut apart from us with our fringes, who make them look like just a straight line. So I think I'll be back once I've done this. So I'm leaving this part blank because that's probably where it's going to start to go shorter, and then I'll probably override the circle. So now I've got this done, I think, like on the picture, I'll just show you, it does have, oh sorry on my light reflection, it does end, I think it would be easier if it's down there, but it does like end in slightly different like individual bits, like it separates. So I'll try and do that as well. So just get random lines and just make them longer to all the rest, and that should be okay. So I've got that done. I think I'm going to just extend this line a bit and then rub out this. And also, to make the hair look more 3D, you just like round it off up from the skin, and then it should tend to start looking quite a bit more 3D like and more realistic. So, and then make it fold onto the other part, because a horse isn't 2D, it's 3D, so you have to make it like just cover and go over to the next side. So I think that's it for the hair. I think it's going to be a bit darker up here, so I've tried to do that on camera. It looks a bit different because of the type of camera I got. It's really odd focus, like you have to twist the thing to make it okay focus. Now there is a slight crease here, just indicate that crease in there, but that probably won't stay. But I think I was going to rub this out and make it the proper shape. So let's just put some shape into this. And then we basically have a lighter crease. So if I just rub out that lightly, it will look like a lighter crease. You probably can't see it on camera, but if you can, then okay. So that crease probably won't stay like that because it obviously ends, but down here it does tend to go a bit darker, so I'm going to just get this a slight bit darker and then just build it lighter as it goes up. So, how long is the video? Okay, 5 minutes. It's probably going to be quite long, and the series is going to take a while to draw this horse, because obviously horses are the hardest thing to draw in my eyes, and I think for many of you it's hard to draw as well. And also Reese Lees, he's changed his name to what's it called? I can't remember what he's changed it to, but shout out to him. He's gonna release a drawing video as well, and prank, so looking forward for that. So let's make it go lighter up here as well. And then just make it go lighter, and then we're going to darken the hairs to make that crease more visible. So let's just add that crease and just darken it so it's a very light crease. So let's darken the hairs so it shows up on the actual thing. So I'm going to just darken all these hairs ready, so the shading after it still all looks like where you can still see them after the shading is done. So I think that will wrap it up for part 1 of this video, and also these will possibly come out every day, or maybe every other day, because I'll still have to upload my regular videos, which are actually quite muddled up, my regular videos. So probably end up doing this for most of the time. So I think that's it for this episode. Also, if you did enjoy this video and you learned some tips, feel free to subscribe and like the video. So I think that's it for this video, but I will be back with another one, I think probably tomorrow. Goodbye.